This is
Those are the scores of the first round of the Classic.
116 or 110 rather, 110.
And apparently there's a loose dog up in the hospitality tent. Loose dog in the hospitality tent. It's like a little white dog with a red harness. So that sounds like your dog. Please go gather up your dog that's in the hospitality tent.